Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to withdraw funds via cryptocurrency from your MC Markets account. Let's show you how to cash out smoothly and securely. The dashboard provides an overview of your funds and quick access to key actions. We recommend enabling Google Authenticator for enhanced security. To do this, navigate to Settings on your dashboard, click on Google Authenticator and enable it. You'll be prompted to enter your authenticator code. Check your link device for the code and continue. Once your Google Authenticator is set up, head over to Asset Management, where all funding actions are managed, and click on Withdraw to proceed. You'll be prompted again to enter your authenticator code. Check your link device for the code and continue. When entering your withdrawal amount, please note that the minimum amount for withdrawal is 100 USDT. After entering your withdrawal amount, input your wallet address. Keep in mind that withdrawals sent to the wrong address are irreversible, meaning the funds cannot be recovered. To avoid such errors, double-check your wallet address before confirming the transaction. You can also save your wallet address by clicking Add Wallet Address. Finally, enter the verification code sent to your registered email, and click Confirm. That's it. You're now ready to withdraw funds via cryptocurrency with ease. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Start managing your account today and enjoy a smooth trading experience with MC Markets.